chicken breast with bones. Alright, when I come back there should be a lot of liquid generated in this spot. I'm going to cover up. Chicken chopsuey. This is my chicken chopsuey, Jamaican-style. So right now, I have curry inside there. I have garlic, I have black pepper, and I have soy sauce. That's why the color is looking dark, and all that liquid is from the chicken and the oil and the butter, but it's more liquid than oil and butter. So very shortly I'll be adding the other ingredients into this chicken chopsuey one by one. All right. Bell pepper yellow, bell pepper red, bell pepper green, orange, and some cayenne pepper. I'm going to add my celery. Those are celeries. This has a lot of water in the celery, so once the steam and heat breaks it down, then there'll be a lot of liquid inside of the pot. Give it a few minutes. Alright, I'm going to add my Bok Choy, which is also known, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, Chinese vegetables. See that? All those leaves, all those grass, as Ikim would say, grass. So Ikim and my vlog, my life, here's the grass, alright? But there's no cobras. No cobras here, okay? No cobras in my life. No cobras Ikim. That's all Bok Choy Chinese vegetable. Alright. My. I've never had so much vegetables in my life in a particular meal. This is the first. Alright, so I'll leave that for a little while. I'm going to cover it up. Alright, so this is the Bok Choy. That's the Bok Choy dish that I'm cooking. So far, I have chicken, the spices such as curry. I have herbal spice such as what I call it, garlic herbal spice, ginger powder, and some sea salt, and of course the curry, and celery, and Bok Choy, known as Chinese vegetable. I'll be adding some carrots in a little while. going to add the carrots now. Add the rest of the onions and scallion. Alright, you're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. So this is my dish here for today, for today's dinner and tomorrow's dinner and the day after tomorrow's dinner. So I'm having white rice, seasoned white rice, and chicken chopsuey. Chicken chopsuey consists of chicken breast with bones, of course, and bok choy, also known as Chinese vegetables, and celeries, and carrots. I have tomatoes in there. I have onions, I have scallions, I have bell peppers, I have cayenne peppers, and I have curry powder, black pepper, I have sea salt in there, and I have soy sauce, and butter, and olive oil. That is my recipe for this chicken chopsuey. So, I'm going to stir them up now. The vegetables have shrunk enough. The celery has produced enough liquid. So now I'm going to turn the bok choy so the bok choy can produce some other additional liquid. So you can complete the finishing. So you're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. And I'm cooking, demonstrating for you a different style of cooking. So this is Jamaican-style chicken chopsuey. Jamaican-style chicken chopsuey on the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV channel here today. So I hope you like it, what you've seen so far. There we are. Alright, I'm going to turn this up now. Alright. There we go, my friends. There we go, my friends. That is my Jamaican-style chicken chopsuey. Chopsuey. Chopped vegetables and chopped chicken. Cooked in a stew form. That is chicken chopsuey. That's my interpretation, my translation. Now, my signature mark. My signature mark my signature mark. Scotch Bonnet. One of the hottest pepper in the world. Jamaican pepper. I don't cut it up because it is too hot. And if I cut it up, only me alone probably could eat it. Nobody else would be able to eat it because that pepper is so hot. Alright, so I'll leave it to simmer. And once it's simmered and it's cooked, so that is my chicken chopsuey, Jamaican style. Alright. Jamaican style chicken chopsuey. So there you go, there you have it. Look at all that vegetable that was in there. Oh my god. That looks like there's no vegetable in there. All that vegetable shrunk. Alright, so that's my chicken chopsuey, Jamaican style. I'm gonna have that with some white rice. Some white rice. Alright, so she's done. She's ready. Go. You're watching the Winston GeL Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. Alright, my friends, dinner is ready. That's scallion. That green thing you're looking at, that's scallion. I'm not going to eat it, I'm just going to share it. Just to share. Right in the center. That is my dinner. Okay, my friends in YouTube land, this is the final product of my chicken chopsuey. Nothing fancy, just a nice, delicious, tasty dish that I put together here today. So this is my chicken chopsuey, Jamaican style. Chicken chopsuey, Jamaican style. So it is ready for my stomach. So I'll be sitting down very shortly. You're not going to see me eat today. Next time, but not today. Alright, so thank you for watching. Please like and share. And please subscribe and support my channel. I thank you very much for all of your support, for being there for me. I really, really appreciate it. Okay, so please enjoy the chopsuey with white rice. The description will be in the box. down below what I put inside.